just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel.
Hey guys, hope you're awesome. It's Liliya here from the Luxy Hair team, and I am so excited for today's tutorial because it's inspired by the beautiful Negin Mersalehi. I think anybody can agree that she's absolute hair goals. So today I'm going to show you how to recreate her beautiful, soft, long, highlighted signature waves, even if your hair is not as long as hers and even if you don't have highlights in your hair. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then just keep on watching. So first things first, if you already have long, beautiful highlighted hair, then skip this part. But if you don't, I'm about to show you how to get that look with some clip-in hair extensions. And one of my favorite things about clip-in hair extensions is that they give you options. And I'm not just talking about having the choice of rocking short hair or long hair on a particular day, but also with color. So I normally find girls who have balayage in their hair or highlights, any hairstyle, even simple curls, just look so much more defined and they look so much more dimensional than just a solid shade like mine. So I brought some samples from the office just to show you guys what the difference is between the shades that I'm going to be talking about today. So as you can see, the chocolate brown, which is this one right here, is the perfect match to my hair. But because I want to get that highlighted look that Negin has, I'm going to be going a shade lighter. This is the chestnut brown shade. I actually have it, the entire set clipped in on this side. See, it's definitely lighter than my hair, but because my hair is quite long, it will blend really beautifully and give me that soft highlighted look that I'm looking for. I also brought in the next shade up, which is the dirty blonde shade. So this is really a beautiful color, but as you can see, it's just such a drastic difference from the chocolate brown. So I would never recommend to go more than one shade up if you're looking for that natural highlighted look. But what I will do today is I will just clip in a few of these in my hair and I'll show you how I do it so that you can just see what it looks like.
Also, I quickly wanted to show you what our volumizers look like. You can check those out on our website.
So this is a single weft that has 4 clips on it. All you do is just pop it in with the rest of the hair, and then it gives you that perfect dimension and that perfect touch of volume that you need. Okay, let's get started.
Starting off with brushing my chestnut brown set, and this is what the seamless dirty blonde set looks like. Obviously it's not a good match to my hair, but I'm only using a few wefts to show you what it looks like in my hair. I'm starting to clip in my Luxys with a regular 3-clip weft, and then what I'm going to do is stack the 2 4-clip wefts together. So again, this is just showing you the difference between the classic on the left and seamless on the right. As you guys can see, the wefts are just a little bit different. So I'm putting the dirty blonde under and the chestnut brown over, and I'm simply clipping the chestnut brown one on top of the dirty blonde one, so it looks like this. Then go ahead and brush that together and you can already see how beautiful this highlighted look is. I'm gonna go ahead and clip that weft in, so you're only technically clipping in 1 weft, although there's 2 of them stacked together. And I'm doing the same thing with the other 2 biggest wefts. Just clipping that in, and you can see I have instant highlights, which is pretty cool. And now just finishing off as usual with some side wefts. And this is important to make sure that the front looks just as voluminous as the back. And voila, that's what it looks like after clipping in the extension. So now let's get into the actual tutorial. I'm doing a middle part right now, and what you will need is just a regular 1-inch curling iron of your choice. I'm starting to curl my hair from the back, and the trick here is the hair doesn't have to fall perfectly flat against the curling iron, so even if the hair is a little bit twisted, it's going to give it that bouncy curl that we're looking for. You can see that the hair is kind of twisted around the barrel and doesn't lie perfectly flat against it. Then I let the curl cool down, and voila, you have a beautiful bouncy curl, and you can see those beautiful highlights peeking through as well. When you're taking sections, make sure that they're not too big so that the heat distributes evenly and that the look is very consistent and every single curl is nice and bouncy. It's so cool seeing blonde hair on myself. I know I would never dye it like this, but just knowing that I can get this effect without damage is really cool.
Feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about your day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
Look at how nice and dimensional that looks. And here comes the final curl. Do a little happy dance because you're finally done curling all your hair. I love how bouncy and multi-dimensional these curls look.
You are the solution.
If your hair tends to get frizzy, I highly recommend to use a couple of drops of hair oil that doesn't weigh your hair down. And what this will do is prevent frizziness and also make the curls a little bit more defined. If you want, you can put your hair either behind one ear or behind both ears to get a slightly different look.
That's it for the tutorial, you guys. I hope you love this look as much as I do. I feel like a brand new person with this highlighted hair, and I didn't even have to dye it, which is perfect. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and if you have any requests for what we should post next on our channel, then please leave me a comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye.